We report on the environment here at WUSA 9 because of the direct impact on our community's health and quality of life. Tonight, that reporting takes us to a little creek that goes through Silver Spring.
That's right, and a big restoration project that's really transformed it into an unlikely highway for fish. Here's environmental impact reporter Scott Broom.
This right here is the Long Branch. It was kind of a forgotten little stream that runs through this part of Silver Spring until the Purple Line project came along. That presented an opportunity for Montgomery County Parks. They figured, well, while we're getting people moving up there on a new light rail line, why can't we get fish moving down here? The result is this fish ladder that's been constructed here. A whole series of steps in the creek, one after another, 9 of them, that get fish all the way up here past what used to be a big 5-foot high chunk of concrete that had been there for 50 years. Not a single fish had been up that way in all that time. But they're doing it now.
What was once a 5-foot drop at one point has now become a series of 5 to 6 inch drops.
Andy Frank of Montgomery Parks was an engineer on the project. So the fish can get up the steps.
Absolutely. This community, they deserve this. They absolutely deserve to live in an area where their creek is stable, is healthy, as healthy as we can be.
Doesn't look like a sewer ditch.
It doesn't anymore.
Matt Harper is a natural resource manager for Montgomery Parks.
Long lost cousins down here haven't seen their brethren up there for that long, and that also has an effect on genetic diversity. I mean, even the same populations, same species of fish that we see down here and we see up there, they're not able to mix and breed, and that is not healthy for us.
Catherine Webb speaks for the Purple Line.
A huge part of the Purple Line project is stormwater management upgrades and stream restorations. So we have stream restorations at Rock Creek, we have them at Sligo Creek, Long Branch, Northwest Branch, and we also are installing underground stormwater retention facilities that'll help mitigate the erosion of the streams in the community.
Now look, only time is going to tell, but it is entirely possible that someday American eels might be able to migrate here all the way from the Sargasso Sea out in the Atlantic Ocean. That is a 9,000-mile round trip thanks to this fish ladder. On the Long Branch in Silver Spring, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
Scott, thank you.